Hello everyone, it's me again Rachi Pagar from BSed English 2, and for today's video we will continue our discussion about the fundamentals of technical writing, and today's topic is all about the sentence structure.
Hello guys, in this video we will learn about the fundamentals of technical writing, and one of it is the sentence structure. So now, let's learn the sentence structure. But before anything else, let us define first the word sentence. Sentence are little packages of words that come together to express complete thoughts. Through the use of sentences, they make it easy to understand ideas and learn information. Now, what is a sentence structure? Sentence structure refers to the physical nature of a sentence and how the elements of that sentence are presented. Just like word choice, writers should strive to vary their sentence structure to create rhythmic prose and keep the reader interested. Sentences that require a variation often repeat subjects, lengths, or types. Sentences are categorized based on different criteria, and one way to categorize them is based on their structure. When we do this, we'll find out that there are 4 sentence structures. First, the simple sentence structure. Second, the compound sentence structure. Third, the complex sentence structure. And fourth, the compound complex sentence structure. Now, let's take a look at each one. Simple sentence structure. A simple sentence consists of one independent clause. When we say independent clause, it contains a subject and a verb, and expresses a complete thought. For example, I love dancing. This is a simple sentence because it contains a one independent clause. As I have said a while ago, independent clause contains a verb and a subject. In this sentence, the subject is I while the verb is dancing. For the other example, let's have the sentence, Emma loves painting. This is also a simple sentence because it also contains one independent clause. The subject is Emma while the verb is painting. Now let's move on to the second sentence structure, which is the compound sentence structure. A compound sentence contains 2 or more independent clauses joined by a conjunction or a semicolon. Each of these clauses could form a sentence alone. When we say a coordinating conjunction, it is a word that glues words, phrases, or clauses together. So there are 7 coordinating conjunctions, or commonly known as the fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Now here is an example for the compound sentence. I love dancing and Emma loves painting. This is a compound sentence because it contains 2 independent clauses. The first one is I love dancing, and the second one is Emma loves painting. Moreover, in this sentence, we also use a coordinating conjunction in connecting the 2 clauses, which is the word and. Now let's talk about the complex sentence structure. A complex sentence consists of an independent clause plus a dependent clause. As I have said a while ago, an independent clause consists of a subject and a verb, and it expresses a complete thought. Meanwhile, a dependent clause starts with a subordinating conjunction or a relative pronoun and contains a subject and verb but does not express a complete action. When we say subordinating conjunctions, some example of it are the words after, although, as, because, before, how, if, once, since, done, that, though, till, until, when, where, whether, and while. Moreover, here are the 5 basic relative pronouns: that, which, who, whom, and whose. Now, for example, our dog barks when he sees unfamiliar faces. This is a complex sentence because it contains a one independent clause and a one dependent clause. Our dog barks is the independent clause, while he sees unfamiliar faces is the dependent. Meanwhile, in this sentence, a subordinating conjunction was also used, which is the word when. Now we're down to the last one, which is the compound complex sentence structure. A compound complex sentence is a combination of a compound sentence and a complex sentence. It means that it consists of at least 2 independent clauses and 1 or more dependent clauses. For example, Mael didn't come because he was ill, so Lara was not happy. So as you can see, in this sentence, it consists of at least 2 independent clauses and 1 dependent clause, which makes it a compound complex sentence. And our video tutorial about the sentence structure ends here. I hope you had learned something from me today. Thank you for watching.